After adding all of the modules you need for your study, you're going to want to fill in a few additional properties. So click into your study and select the cog from the study screen. This will open the study settings screen, which includes study name, which is editable, a description for your study, and a range of other attributes that appear on the settings tab of the schema study. Important ones to note are the banner image URL. So by default, we put the schema banner in, but you can use any image hosted on your own website to change the branding of your study, as well as the data URL, which is an endpoint where data will be sent from the app to your server. There are some examples on the GitHub page in the examples folder of a simple script on how to access the keys and values that are sent to the server. And it's also worth looking at the collecting data information on the GitHub page as well, which tells you all of the different data variables for logging and survey data that are sent to the server. This is where we can edit the study conditions as well. So if we wanted to add a control condition or a treatment condition to our study, we would add these here. And once we add conditions here, within the module condition editing screen on the module page, we would start to get these options appear, and we'd be able to restrict which conditions each module appears for. Also note that if you have more than one condition here, one or more conditions, then users who enroll in your study will automatically be allocated into one of these conditions when they first enroll. You can also add details about your ethics, such as a link to your plain language statement as a PDF, and you can put any particular information about your study here, such as an ethics approval number and so on. This screen is also where you can duplicate a study or delete a study. So let's say you wanted to create a slightly different version of a study, maybe you're doing some A/B testing. So we go into the study settings screen, click on duplicate and select duplicate. As you can see, a complete carbon copy of your study is created, which should contain all of the same modules and all of the same settings that we have just edited. We can also delete a study from this screen, but again, this action cannot be undone, so be very careful when deleting a study. So we actually have to do this twice to indicate that we really do want to delete the study, and once we select that option, that study will be deleted from the home screen.